Hey guys, today we are going to change a Pitman outer control arm on this 2001 F350 or F250. It's the same. It's that part right there. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll have some affiliate links in the description if you want to check those out. Alright, first thing we need to do, you can see there's a pin right here. So you got to get that pin out of the castle nut here, and then we can take this nut off. All right, now we've got that nut off. I'm going to use a pickle fork here. Stick it right in there like that, and then you pound on it, and that'll wedge it out. You can either find one of these in the links in the description, or you can rent them from the local auto parts store. All right, now we're gonna loosen this bolt up, and that'll allow this to twist out. So once you get that loosened up, you're gonna twist it right out. If you're having trouble getting that to break loose, what I did was took an 18mm wrench or whatever size fits yours and slid it on here and used that to get some leverage to turn it. Now I'll spray some WD-40 in there and get it turned out. All right, last thing I do here is you can see the line right here of where it was screwed into. So I just set these on top of each other and then mark it so that gets me pretty close. And then as long as you don't move your steering wheel, you should be able to just slide this right up into the hole there pretty close, and be able to figure that out. But that's pretty much it. There is some adjustment here. So like if your steering wheel is way off, you can loosen both of these bolts and twist this, and that'll either pull it in or push it out depending on what you need to do. Yeah, that's about what there is to this job. So if this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching.